Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here the question is asking, what is the present worth of a series of 15 annual payments of $1,000 each when the first payment is now and the interest rate is 5% compounded monthly? So what is the present worth of a series of 15 annual payments of $1,000 each when the first payment is now and the interest rate is 5% compounded monthly? Okay, now let's see how to do that. First of all, let's go ahead and calculate the interest rate. To calculate the interest rate, what we do is this is the equation: 1 plus percentage 5%, 0.05 in decimal places, and this is for monthly, so we have to divide this one by 12, and power, okay, 15 annual, and this is for monthly, so monthly mean 12 months, so we have to put 12 right here to find out the compound interest, and minus 1. This is the equation, and if you calculate this one, you're going to get 0.05116. Now here we are trying to find what is the present worth, that is P. P is equal to 15 annual payments, $1,000 each, 1,000 plus the compound interest, that is 1,000 times PA. We calculated the percentage in this is in decimal places. In percentage, there is 5.116%, and now and the interest rate. So first one is 1,000, and then we have the interest rate. So 14 are left, plus 14 here, and this is going to be 1,000 plus 1,000 times. If you look at this value in the table, you will see 9.82563. And if you calculate this one, you're going to get $10,826, and that is P value. And that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you're trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.